Welcome back everybody. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you could find KDP niches that are profitable and non-competitive, okay? So you want to stick with me here till the end because you will find so many niches that will make you quickly some sales. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do is go to creativefabrica.com. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Okay, and once you're here, you'll find all the type of stuff like fonts, graphics, crafts, etc. You want to go to graphics, coloring book for adults, right click, open link in new tab, and then coloring book for kids, right click and open link in new tab. Okay, so once you do that, you will get to these pages. Now, I don't like to do my searches in the coloring pages for adults section, but I like to do them in the kids section. So, like, once you're here, you will find so many profitable niches, okay? So, let's take, for example, this Ancient Egypt coloring book. Okay, let's go into Amazon, go into this. It's an Egypt coloring book for kids. So, let's copy it, paste it on Amazon. All search like always. Click search, and there you go. You have 149 results popping up, so there's literally no competition here whatsoever, and these books are selling. So this one is ranked 200,000, this one is ranked 800,000, 1 million, 1 million. The cover is like really simple, and the interior is literally right here if you want it. So for method number 2, you want to go to Amazon, type in coloring book here, and depending on what you want, you can type in for kids, for teens, or for adults. I like to go with the kids section for kids, okay? And right here you will have like so many results. So you want to go, you want to scroll down here till you find something that you find maybe it will be non-competitive or will sell a lot, and then you could do a little more research on it. So for example, this Caticorn coloring book, I can copy the name here, go to the search bar again, and then search for it. Okay, click search, and we have 198 results, which is like, you could make so much money here. This one is ranked 7,000, this one is ranked 40,000, 315,000. And if you want to see how much money you could make from this, so let's take as an example this book, copy the BSR number, the bestseller rank, go to the bestseller rank sales calculator. It's on tckpublishing.com if you want to do it. Go to books, BSR rank, paste, remove the comma, calculate sales. This is making like 500 sales per month, which is, for its price, it's doing like $1,000 a month easily. And yeah guys, that's about it. I'll make more videos like this, so if you want to stay updated, maybe find new niches or just scale your books or your KDP account, I'll be doing so many videos like this. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, like the video, and thank you for watching. Peace.